Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You have the gadget unlocked, enough in-game currency, and an assigned hotkey. Next, open your inventory and equip the new gadget to a numbered slot. Press 1 through 4 so you can deploy instantly. Once done, inspect durability and cooldown values and pair any required attachments. Also, tell a teammate who will watch your flanks. This prevents wasted gadget use. Practice deployment once in a training range to learn timing and trajectory. Now you execute the middle steps. Position yourself behind cover, line up the throw or placement by aiming slightly above the target if arc is involved, and count the fuse. Make sure to watch for bounces and reflective surfaces that change trajectory. While you're doing that, communicate a 1-2-3 countdown with teammates so they can capitalize on the effect. Use smokes or suppressive fire simultaneously to mask movement. This increases success rate and reduces gadget waste. Finish the sequence by either pushing the disrupted enemies or retreating to a new angle, depending on what the gadget achieved. Make sure to follow up quickly. Damage windows are short. Then reload and re-equip for the next use while you monitor cooldown timers. If things go wrong, stop and diagnose. Check your control bindings, network lag, and whether the server disabled that gadget in the mode. As a quick fix, swap to a backup utility and reposition. That usually restores momentum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.